Come onto my hand. I think you need a house. Draw an oval on the cardboard to make a cage bottom. Add a handle above. Join them with thick bars. Cut out the outline. Mix orange and white acrylic paints. Color the cage in a soft apricot shade. Define the details. Where should I put your house, Tweet Tweet? Do you like watching at the window? Or decorate the curtain? I think you'll feel better on the shelf. Meanwhile, my friends are leaving their house. They need a car. Join two big pieces of cardboard. Attach them using another one. Draw an open-top car outline and cut it out. Paint the car hot pink. Leave unpainted areas for wheels. Make a bumper light. Paint the wheel holes black. Define a headlight. Outline a hood and a door. When dry, attach the wheels. Make sure to put on snow tires. The girls get into the open-top car and rush to the party. The traffic state is rather worrying. Hey, get out of the way! Don't you see two gorgeous ladies going in an open-top car? I'm pressing the gas pedal. Oops! The car accelerates and my friend's legs happen to fly in the air. And other cars immediately get out of our way at the crossroads. We look into a gift shop to buy a present for Emma. Finally, we arrive and park near Emma's house. We're ready for a party! Emma hears the doorbell ring. My guests have come! Oops! The magic works and we can see the fairy instead of Emma meeting the guests. The fairy opens the door and the girls give her a big gift box. Where do we put it? The fairy snaps her fingers and a table appears. The fairy's unwrapping the gift. What's there inside? A new iFairy Phone X? A magic Wi-Fi wand? Open it and you'll see. It's a tea set for friendly tea parties. Perfect! It's time to have tea. Well, what should we sit on? Are we going to stand all the time? The fairy quickly solves the problem. She snaps her fingers again to get a new couch. Now there's enough places for everyone. We can have tea at last. The tea must have been special. After a few sips, the fairy turns into Emma. How strange! Anyway, things like this might happen during Christmas time. We want to take pictures, so we need a photo zone. Our friend can appear beside you unexpectedly. She can perform in a circus or frighten people in a haunted mansion. Cut out holes in pulled up fabric to put picture frames in. Draw a frame outline on a piece of cardboard. Make curled edges. Cut it out. Cover the frame with acrylic paint. Make a floral pattern. Define the ornament with black paint. Outline the frame inside and outside. Hot glue the frames to the fabric. Pose as if you were depicted on a picture. Wow, it's a true portrait gallery. Should we open our own Louvre? Let's make other cardboard accessories for unusual photos. Colored balloons, an ice cream cone, and a sweet donut. You can make anything you want, even cardboard flowers. Make your dreams come true. You can't eat a cardboard donut, but you can easily pose with it, and the glaze won't melt. Dream of cardboard balloons getting you to fly away. The Christmas story's coming to an end. It's time to come back to the moment when it started. It's 5 minutes to midnight. It's the right time for magic. What did really happen? The main characters just ran into each other and fell on the floor. Things like this happen sometimes. Each of them kept her body and purchases. And what happened to them after that? That's another story. Did you like the Christmas story? Write in your comments what way you use cardboard. Do you have your own story about Christmas magic? Share it with us. Be sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and click the bell. Ding! Is it a fairy ringing?